I'll definitely leave a link for you guys. It comes with everything that you need to browse. A manual that you will need in here, making it super easy for you to browse. Here is the before. First step, you're gonna use the number 4 clean your brow. Then you're gonna go in with Aquaphor or Vaseline around the brow. And then you're going to start applying the glue and you're gonna shape your brows. I definitely recommend doing, and it was hard for me to go back in and so do one eyebrow at a time, put the glue and then shape it. Leave this on for 8 to 10 minutes. After the 8 to 10 minutes, you can adjust on both brows. You can try to brush them out and shape them if you need. As you can tell, I am just on and trying to shape my brows a little bit more. And we're gonna let that sit for 10 minutes again. After your 10 minutes are up, you can use the razor or you can plug and shape them. Then we're gonna put the number 4 off the perm and the fixation residue. Now you wanna apply the number 3 nutrition to nourish your brows. And I'm gonna give them a little shaping as well with the spoolie. There you have it. That is how I laminated my eyebrows. It was super easy to follow the steps at home. And here are the results. I am in love, you guys.